This was the perfect tour for our first trip to Fort Lauderdale. Super fun to sail along and look at the beautiful homes and sights and to hear all the stories behind them from our informative tour guide. Was just my hubs and I, but extremely family friendly. Would love to bring my kids and even my parents back. The very affordable price made it even better. The operator was also very nice. I'd booked the 1 p.m. tour, but I had a schedule change. I walked up to the boat at 10 a.m. and asked if I could switch our booking to 11 a.m. and he obliged without hesitation. Snacks on the cruise were also great. We enjoyed an ice-cold local IPA beer as we sailed along. Really loved this excursion and highly recommend. A great tour for all ages. We went with grandparents, elementary child, toddler and baby. We are millennials. Interesting, engaging tour guide in 3 segments, so not overdone the entire time. It was funny, educational and family friendly. Everyone can walk around the boat the whole time and all railings have diamond cutout fencing around so children can walk and explore or stand at the edge with no risk of falling. Options of sun deck, shade deck, and indoor air-conditioned area are also nice for various preferences. We did the 11 a.m. tour and 90 minutes was just right for us to enjoy the whole time, then grab lunch afterwards, and before naps/meltdowns of littles, 0. What a fantastic experience. The cruise left right on time, and our tour guide was knowledgeable, engaging, and genuinely fun. We learned so much while enjoying the beautiful views, the perfect mix of information and entertainment. Such a great way to see Fort Lauderdale from the water. Highly recommend. The crew was friendly and knowledgeable. We really enjoyed the boat ride. It was nice that they had refreshments to purchase and that people were allowed to get up and move around. It was fun that our narrator knew so much about the houses and yachts. We had a great time. This was a wonderful cruise through downtown Fort Lauderdale. Enjoyed the narration, getting so close to the cruise ships. Loved the history of the various properties. Even on a rainy day, it's a winner. Price is good for what you get. This was a very pleasant boat ride. It was nice listening to a bit of history about the area while viewing the beautiful homes and yachts in the area. I highly recommend it to anyone visiting Fort Lauderdale. Lots of seating and you can move around the boat. Downstairs seating has aircon and a bar for snacks, drinks. Upstairs has plenty of space to move around. Lots of places to stand and have the best views. Ij and the Captain Dave are phenomenal. Ij was very entertaining and very knowledgeable. We are truly enjoying this tour. It is a very relaxing experience. I highly recommend booking this awesome tour. Fun trip, would recommend it. The bar price fair and the snacks hit the spot. We went early April, a little chilly, so a jacket would be good to take. Great tour. Got to see beautiful homes and yachts. Good history of the homes and who owns them. Very relaxing and easy for people of all ages.